Vincent Regina here with Flat Screen Clean. Okay, today I'm going to do a demo with a dry erase board and a Sharpie. So I'm simply going to put a mark on here, let it dry, and then I'm going to simply shake, spray, and wipe and take the Sharpie off. As you can see, it's on there and it's dry. So I'm just going to spray, let it sit there just a little bit, and then I'm simply going to wipe. Now I'm going to apply some pressure because after all, these boards are not supposed to have permanent marker on them. And it happens in schools a lot where the teacher may make a mistake and pick up a permanent marker like a Sharpie and draw on the whiteboard, and there she goes. So as you can see, it's disappearing. So Flat Screen Clean not only cleans all your flat and touchscreen devices, but it'll also clean a whiteboard if you accidentally put a permanent marker on it. It's quite simple. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Shake, spray, and wipe. Repeat if necessary. If you like what you see, act now and order yours today at flatscreenclean.com. Thank you.